Research Solution by Dr. DEBARSHI JANA. Like and subscribe our channel. Get notification for new topic related video. Let's start. Today's topic is about Kolmogorov-Smirnov test for comparing two populations. Kolmogorov-Smirnov test for comparing two populations evaluates if the two sample distributions come from identical population distribution or not. Statistically, it probes the significance of the difference between two population distributions, based on two sample distributions. Example: two hypothetical sample data is presented below. Test if the population exhibit identical distributions. Table. Solution: null hypothesis. The samples are from identical distributions. Performing required calculation through tabular format. Tabulated value of D for n equals 15 feet at 5% level of significance equals 0.338, which is greater than the calculated value of D equals 0.117. The null hypothesis is accepted, that the samples have come from populations with identical distributions. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact us now. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn.